This is your car. It has everything you want it to have, but it's likely missing one thing. This is the CarPod Go Mini, a compact high-performance Apple CarPlay and Android Auto device. While the T3 Pro was an 8.9-inch powerhouse, the Mini brings that same smart functionality into a much smaller 6.9-inch footprint that fits even better in tight dashboard spaces and at an even better price. So in today's video I will be reviewing the CarPod Go Mini, which was given to me by the legends at CarPod Go, who are one of the Ferrari guys' first ever sponsors. And if you are looking for a device like this, click the link in the description below and use the discount code TheFerrariGuy at checkout for €50 off your first order. Now let's get started. The Mini packs a ton of functionality at a significantly more accessible price point. While the T3 Pro sits at around the $200 mark, the Mini starts at roughly $120, making it a much easier entry point into the ecosystem. But don't let the price fool you. Not only are you not losing that premium feel, you're still getting the same high-end Linux-based chips and the same Retina-grade build quality, just in a more focused package. Now, my Mark 7.5 Golf GTI already has CarPlay and Android Auto built in, but for cars like this 10-year-old Skoda Rapid with a dated laggy factory unit, the Mini is the perfect OEM Plus upgrade. This was the same car that I had the T3 Pro fitted into, and it is still in the car and functioning perfectly as usual, making this Skoda the perfect benchmark. The biggest difference here is the footprint. The T3 Pro's 8.9-inch screen is amazing, but it can feel a bit like an iPad on the dash setup for smaller interiors. The Mini's 6.9-inch display feels a lot more integrated. It doesn't block your view of the road, yet it provides a massive 254 pixels per inch, making the UI look even sharper than its big brother. Performance-wise, there is zero compromise. Like the T3 Pro, this is one of the only portable screens on the market that runs wireless CarPlay at true 60 frames per second. Most generic screens chug along at 30 FPS, which feels laggy and cheap, but this is buttery smooth. It also retains the display-only Bluetooth mode. The Mini acts strictly as a high-def monitor. Your phone handles the audio and stays connected directly to your car's original Bluetooth. This means no FM transmitters or static. You get to keep your steering wheel controls, the car's built-in microphone with Siri, and that high-fidelity sound your car was originally built with. However, if your car originally didn't have Bluetooth, fear no more, as the CarPod Go Mini does come with an FM transmitter. Visually, the Mini is a beast. It features a fully laminated screen, which means there's no air gap between the glass and the display, reducing glare and making colours pop. But here is the headline. The Mini is actually brighter than the Pro. It hits 1000 nits of brightness, whereas the T3 Pro only hits 700. Even in the harshest direct midday sun, the 1600 by 720 resolution screen is crystal clear, giving it a modern, edge-to-edge look that puts most factory screens to shame. The mounting system has also seen a massive upgrade. The T3 Pro used a standard magnetic base, but the Mini introduces a MagSafe style magnetic mount. It's incredibly strong. I've taken this on bumpy back roads and it hasn't budged even once. But it also means you can snap it off in a second and hide it in the glove box when you park. It powers a very simple USB-C to 12-volt cable, and the boot time is impressive. From engine start to your maps appearing, it takes around 10 to 12 seconds, which is nearly twice as fast as most factory infotainment systems. So in conclusion, you still get that premium software features like the automatic day-night dimming via the built-in light sensor, custom car brand boot logos, and support for an optional reverse camera. Bottom line, if you thought the 8.9-inch T3 Pro was a bit too expensive or a bit too intrusive for your dashboard, then the CarPod Go Mini is the answer. It's brighter, more compact, and just as fast. It's the best way to modernize any old car without tearing the dashboard apart. And that's my review. If you fancy a CarPod Go Mini or a T3 Pro, then click the link in the description below and use the discount code TheFerrariGuy at the checkout for $50 off your order. Support the channels that support the Ferrari Guy, and we can all work together to make this channel grow. So what do you think? Has the CarPod Go Mini impressed you? Let me know down in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and sharing the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And finally, thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you all very soon.